Assalamu alaikum, my shining stars. Hope so that you all are fine at home and you are doing your work properly with neat and clean writing. As you know that dear students, we have done level 1 of the global community. Today we are going to move on level 2. So please make sure to note down all the answers and write on your notebook with neat and clean writing. As I'm showing you, this is level 2, and in level 2 there are 6 question answers. Today we are going to these 6 question answers from 7 to 12. For this my class, answer these questions. The first answer is the four things are religion, culture, profession and language. Number 8, before going to 8, this 7 question second part is they can perform it as a group. Answer number 8, the other two communities are urban and rural communities. Number 9, he used this word because in reality we opposed each other and we do not want to merge in other community. Answer number 10, first of all we will write two benefits and then we will write two problems of globalization. Benefits are they can import their traditions, and second point is it will spread awareness and understanding. What are the problems? Each community have different style of collaborations and every country have different and strict paperwork. Question number 11 answer through development in transport, communications, and of course technology has increased our knowledge and understanding of life in other countries. Answer number 12 is fast food chains to blockbuster movies have brought a certain sameness to cities all around the world. This is known as globalization. Now, my dear class, level 2 is done. Here, my class, I am giving you a speaking activity, and you have to talk about any annual festival that happened in our country. For example, Mela Chiraga, as Mela Chiraga is happened every year in Lahore, and it is celebrated with full enthusiasm. So you also have to write about a festival that is celebrated in our country. What are the points that you have to write about it? First of all, you have to write the origin, so from when this festival starts, and it is a religious festival, a historic festival, or a cultural festival. You have to mention this. Only two paragraphs first you will write, and then you will record your voice notes and you will send your voice notes on Friday. This is your speaking activity. Okay, my dear class, another work that I'm giving you is a leaflet. You have to prepare a leaflet, and in this leaflet, first of all, you have to mention the title. Any suitable title you can write here. What you are going to do, you have to write the available facilities of your community, why the people came in your community, why they transfer and why they left their community and merge in your community, what are the reasons, what are the facilities that you will give to that community, and what are the activities that you do together. These are the main points, and you have to submit next Friday on 11/12/2020. It means 11th December you have to submit this project in a written form. And now I'm going to show you a sample of how to make a leaflet. For example, my class, first of all you have to take a sheet, a blank sheet, then you have to fold it into three sides. At first side you will write the reasons why the people should visit in your community. The first reason here is written, the football match happened every week, then there is an opportunity of shopping, and Mickey Mouse, any character came in your community, so in this way they can avail these facilities and they will find happy. A visit here will make you feel, so what is the visit, what is happening there, so why the people visit your community. On the second side you can write new friends you will meet. Here you can paste your three friends pictures, or you can draw three characters with their names to whom they will met when they merge in your community. The next is what it is like here. So what the why they, if they came in your community, they will be feel excited, it will be fun, amazing and cool. Like this you have to make a leaflet, and you have to submit on next Friday, 11th December 2020, and wish you a happy day.